telling you to stop.
Tase me, bro.
Stop. Stop it, Ledrick.
What?
I will tase you.
Let's do it! Woo!
Cigarette down.
Nope.
The 9th of April, 2025. Officers respond to a man running at cars, wielding a ukulele. 5 legal issues. Whether a ukulele is a weapon. Whether the taser threats were lawful. What the de-escalation cigarette offer means legally. What legally crazy requires officers to do. And what a breathing complaint in a patrol car triggers. The assault charge was legally supportable. Under the manner of use doctrine, an object's classification as a dangerous weapon depends not on what it is, but on how it is used. A small wooden instrument swung at a person's head can cause serious bodily harm. A person advancing toward an officer with any object raised in a threatening manner, while refusing multiple stop commands, satisfies probable cause for assault under the totality of circumstances standard from Illinois. V. Gates 1983. The object being a ukulele does not change the analysis.
Stop. Stop. Ledrick, stop.
Ledrick is my
Ledrick,
name.
stop. Leave him alone.
He like to fucking run me over.
I saw you run up to him.
Yeah.
Stop. Stop.
Don't fucking touch me, bro.
Stop. You go.
Idiot. Try me.
Stop. I'm telling you to stop.
Yeah, you think I'm gonna respect you?
Ledrick, stop. Ledrick, I'm telling you to stop. Sarge, I'm gonna need a second. He's coming at me with a ukulele.
No, I'm going to the fucking store, dumb.
Stop.
What's up?
I'm telling you to stop.
Tase me, bro.
Stop.
You.
I'm telling you to stop, Ledrick. Don't come at me with a fucking ukulele.
Try me, bro.
Ledrick, I'm telling you to stop.
What you say? You like lying to me? Shoot
Stop.
me, bro. Shoot me.
Stop approaching
yeah.
me. Just stop. Ledrick,
You ever had a ukulele shut up? You
stop it, Ledrick.
What?
I will fucking
Yeah,
tase you. Ledrick, stop. I'm telling you to stop, Ledrick.
Yeah, you also saying lies. Your camera say on now? You stupid.
He came at me with a ukulele.
Oh,
He held it up.
So he's under arrest for assault?
Yeah.
Tell him he's under arrest.
Ledrick, you're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
Try me.
Put your hands on your back right now. Are you going to comply, yes or no?
I don't need answers.
We're 10-4.
That's my right.
You are under arrest.
Yeah,
for
you
assault.
get your cameras on now.
Cameras are on.
Yeah,
You don't-
okay.
Listen, nobody wants to hurt you.
Yeah, but everybody's still fucking lying.
Tell you what,
I don't care what the
Tell
fuck
you-
you said.
I'll give you 3 puffs of that cigarette, and then you can put your hands behind your back,
No, bro.
and you're going to get arrested.
Try me.
You got less
Try
than-
me.
Yep.
Cigarette down.
Nope. You guys violated my rights from the very beginning.
Okay, you
I ain't
keep-
listening to you.
You came at him with the...
I don't care what the
assault.
fuck you say.
Okay?
I don't
So
care.
listen,
I don't
I'm
care.
gonna let you smoke a little bit of that
I'm gonna
cigarette,
smoke the whole
and then I'm gonna allow you to put your hands behind your back. So we can
No, you're
handcuff
gonna
you.
allow me?
If you don't, I'm gonna use force against you to
Try
arrest
me.
you.
Try me.
I don't want to use
Try
force against
me.
you.
Hi.
You will have force used against you. Do you understand?
Yeah, whatever.
Yes or no?
I don't know. I'm crazy. Trust me, I'm fucking crazy, bro. I'm legally fucking crazy. Or you guys should use your guys' tasers on me. Oh, fair warning. Let's do it! Woo!
Cigarette down.
Nope. I'm not done.
The taser was threatened multiple times and never deployed. The threatened use of force is not independently governed by Graham versus Connor, 1989, which analyzes force actually applied. What the repeated taser warnings represent is a verbal de-escalation tool communicating consequences without applying force. The absence of deployment across the entire encounter is the most significant tactical fact in this footage. Officers chose verbal engagement over force every time they had the option. That is not a legal requirement. It is a professional standard. The cigarette negotiation has no legal significance, and that is the point. Officers have no legal obligation to offer inducements for compliance. The offer was pure tactical discretion, identifying what the subject wanted, using it to create a compliance pathway, and reducing immediate force risk without compromising officer safety. Under the National Consensus Policy on Use of Force, 2020, officers are required to attempt de-escalation when safe and feasible. Offering 3 cigarette puffs in exchange for placing hands behind the back is an unconventional but legally valid exercise of that discretion. The subject's self-identification as legally crazy is the most legally consequential statement in this footage, and not because it is unusual. In most states, a person may be placed on an involuntary mental health hold if they present a danger to themselves or others. Running at cars, advancing on officers with a raised object, and daring officers to tase or shoot them meets the threshold for emergency psychiatric evaluation in most jurisdictions. The officers had 2 legal tracks available: criminal arrest for assault or a mental health hold. These are not mutually exclusive. The choice between them has significant consequences for whether the subject receives treatment or a criminal record. The physical struggle during handcuffing is analyzed under Graham v. Connor, 1989. 3 factors: severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. The subject had wielded an instrument at an officer, made repeated challenge statements, and physically resisted commands across 6 minutes before the struggle began. Multiple officers were required, which reflects appropriate resource deployment, not force escalation. The restraint wrap was used after extended verbal engagement failed to produce compliance. All 3 Graham factors support the force applied. Notably, the taser was not used even during the physical struggle. The in-car breathing complaint triggers 14th Amendment obligations under Kingsley v. Hendrickson, 2015. Pretrial detainees are protected by the Due Process Clause's objective reasonableness standard. Officers provided water and opened the window immediate responses that were appropriate. However, a breathing complaint from a subject who had just self-reported a mental health condition, physically exerted himself during a struggle, and disclosed an atypical respiratory pattern warranted formal ambulance assessment. The immediate response was adequate. The cumulative picture warranted more.
I'm all shook up. Okay. Oh, you guys got me close up.
You're under arrest.
Stop. Everyone calm down.
I can stand up right now. Keep me, bro.
I want to
Get on your stomach.
right now.
You guys dirtying my fucking clothes.
Get on your
Turn on your
stomach.
stomach. Everyone stop grabbing stuff. Hold on. Stop.
What, you think you know the jiu-jitsu, bro? You guys need more guys, for real. Bro, you didn't even get my fucking wrist, bro. Come on.
That guy's legs.
Oh,
That guy's legs.
I ain't calm.
Okay, you gotta put your hands on your back.
You guys can't even get me down. Look how much fucking guys you guys
Don't
get.
need nothing. And get
Oh,
calm
you
down.
guys suck, bro. That was fun, though. Woo. Yeah. I'm calm, bro.
We need your hands on your back.
Can I hold my glasses?
We don't need your hands on your back.
Oh, for real?
I need you to put your hands on your
My
back.
God.
You're gonna get put in a wrap. It's really uncomfortable.
I'm gonna sleep right there. How's that? Oh, you guys got a good attempt, though. Oh.
Good.
You guys gotta know you guys are my whatever. Thank you.
Let's get this set up.
Can you guys at least get my fucking bags? Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, I'm just trying to lie down, bro. Oh. It's the most rest I had all day.
Good.
Thank you.
Keep showing up.
Yeah,
Because no one wants to get hurt.
I know. Yes.
Okay, so we got to this point.
Oh, you guys suck at jiu-jitsu though.
Let's do this. Let's
Yeah.
put your hands on your back for me.
Oh, for real?
Come on.
But you guys don't need my hands in the back for putting me in the straight
Listen.
back, you know. Come
We
on.
got to this point.
Oh,
We don't need anybody getting hurt.
I
I know.
don't know where the original car.
No.
Okay? When you're giving a lot load, you have to
Cool.
apply. So do me a favor.
Huh?
Take your left hand and put it behind your back for me. Thank you.
No, you
You're
guys
fine.
really gonna shackle me?
We're gonna put handcuffs on you. You see that? That's called a wrap. It's really uncomfortable. We don't want to put you in that. If you comply with me now.
Okay, go. I don't even f***ing rap like a fucking taco, bro.
More right hand. This hand here.
Hold on, let me do that. Oh, that hurt. Ow!
Extend your right hand.
Honestly.
You're doing good.
This sucks. Hey, this is comfortable at least. Wow.
Okay, I got 2 fingers in there. It's comfortable.
Oh, I'm gonna get a job,
No.
bro. Huh? What? Oh, so now I'm not gonna be able to get a fucking job.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you suck.
You initially wanted to.
Yeah, I know. I know what you guys is doing. You get oh,
You just push the yellow tabs in.
Okay, so now what we're going to do.
can I smoke a cigarette? Please be careful.
Stop.
Oh!
I was
On the
watching.
plane.
Turn on your side.
Turn on my
I like
side.
to bring your knees to your chest. Perfect. Now I'm going to sit you this way, and now I'm going to stand you up.
Is these cameras on? Wait, oh. Why the f*** is supposed to stand up like this? Oh, it's cross, bro.
Sit back down.
Oh, come on, guys. Oh, man. Oh, this sucks, guys. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Yeah.
How's that?
Thank you. Yes, yeah. Oh, my clothes are dirty. Oh, you suck. Oh, look at my shoes.
Can you just take it closest?
We're going to that car over
Yeah,
there.
whatever. Where the f is my ukulele?
Go get it.
Oh. Oh. I'm all shook up. Sorry. Oh, I don't know. How about if you job?
You want him on that side?
Doesn't matter.
We'll
Do
go
your
to
job.
We're going over this side, bro.
Oh,
This side. There you go.
oh, water.
Yep, we'll get you water.
We'll get you water.
Okay. Do you want me to go in this way?
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, all right, Bobby.
Cool. 1. Yeah. Oh,
Got it, Bobby?
amazing.
He's on my car anyways.
Okay.
So you guys
You got
gotta
shorts
work
underneath
on
this?
Never mind. Oh, the water counts. Fucking cool. Oh, how's that kick on us?
All right, we're going in.
Where are you going?
Here.
For what? Am I
Under
getting
arrest.
arrested?
Yes.
What?
Yeah.
For real? For what? Oh, that's not fair, guys. For real. I like water at least. Ah. Oh. Okay, it's not bad. Oh, it's dirty.
It's dirty, yeah.
What the f?
Sit down. Sit down. The quicker you quit messing around.
Dude, I'm in the car.
Sit your butt down.
Oh.
Sit down.
Whatever.
Do you need an extension?
Oh, it sucks. Whatever.
Put your foot down.
Oh, shit, whatever. Oh. Okay. Oh. I like smoking.
Just put the extension in your bag.
Oh, seatbelt?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
His wallet, ukulele. I think that's his vape.
All right.
Yeah, I getting a hard time breathing here, bro.
You're what?
I'm having a hard time breathing here. Like literally.
Why are you having a hard time
But
breathing?
I'm not. I don't breathe like you guys, bro. That's not.
You don't breathe like us? Do you need an ambulance?
I need oxygen, bro.
Okay, well you have oxygen.
Oh.
If you calm down, you'll stop wasting so much oxygen. We'll get you water. Here you go. Here you go.
I'm gonna roll down the window a little bit for you. That way you got a little bit more oxygen.
Boy!
There you go.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it does.
The lead officer receives an A-. The patients demonstrated across this encounter 6 minutes of verbal engagement before physical contact, creative use of a compliance inducement, taser withheld throughout, despite multiple provocations, represents the best de-escalation performance in this series. The A- reflects 2 gaps: the absence of crisis intervention team activation or mental health co-responder involvement, and the decision to treat a person with apparent acute mental health symptoms as a straightforward arrest rather than a dual-track crisis response. The assisting officers receive a B+. Physical backup was competent, force was proportionate, and the taser was not deployed even during the physical struggle. The B+ reflects the same missed opportunity to activate mental health resources earlier in the encounter. No subject grade is given for this footage. This is the only video in this series where that decision has been made. The subject's self-identification as mentally ill, his apparent dissociation from consequences, his daring officers to tase or shoot him, and his breathing complaint together describe an acute mental health presentation rather than purely volitional criminal conduct. Grading behavior that may reflect an untreated mental health crisis as if it were deliberate decision-making is not consistent with responsible analysis. The legal issues are real. The grade is withheld. 3 lessons. First, the manner of use doctrine means the object matters less than what you do with it. A ukulele is not a dangerous weapon in a music store. It becomes one the moment it is used to advance on a person in a threatening manner. The assault charge here was legally supportable because of the behavior, not the instrument. Second, legally crazy is not a legal term, but the behavior it describes may be. In most states, presenting a danger to yourself or others is the threshold for an involuntary mental health hold. A person who dares officers to tase or shoot them and runs at moving vehicles may meet that standard. Criminal arrest and mental health intervention are separate legal tracks. They can run simultaneously. Officers responding to apparent mental health crises should know both options exist. Third, de-escalation is not weakness, and it is not unlimited. The officer in this footage delayed force for 6 minutes through verbal engagement, tactical patience, and a cigarette offer. That patience was legally sound and professionally admirable. De-escalation has limits when a subject poses an immediate danger that verbal tools cannot address. Force is authorized. The key is documentation. Every verbal warning, every de-escalation attempt, every offer made and refused creates a record that justifies the force ultimately used. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.